Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a call queue in the 3CX Management Console. Log into the 3CX Management Console. Click on the Call Queues tab. Click on the Add button. Type in a name for your call queue. The extension is preset, but you can change this if the need arises. Set the polling strategy to whatever you need your call queue to do. Ring all is the most common polling strategy and is what we'll set here. The ring time is set for 30 by default, but you can change it if you'd like. We'll set the maximum queue wait time to 30 seconds. You can set the music on hold and intro prompt messages to whatever WAV files you have saved. In addition to that, you can set it to announce the queue position to the caller. To add an agent, navigate to the Agents tab and click on Add. Select an agent or agents and click on OK to add them. At the top, click on OK when you're finished. To ensure that the call queue is enabled on a user, click on the Users tab and check the user. Click on the Status button and select Logged In from the queue's status dropdown. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a call queue in the 3CX Management Console. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX, as well as other helpful guides.